nothing like the smell of cow in the morning. Vlogmas day 3. What's up, everybody? Typical North Carolina weather. Vlogmas day 1, I was out here in a thick coat freezing, and today I am wearing short sleeves. Don't know what to tell you, but today we're going to be working on the 99 a little bit. I didn't buy any parts for this thing for Christmas, so its Christmas present's going to be to get this engine bay cleaned up a little bit. The car's been sitting for, I'm not even sure how long at this point, so it's time to do something. I drove it the other day, I turned on the heat, I heard something kicking around at the blower motor, so I turned it right back off. I'm gonna guess there's probably a mouse nest in there, so we're gonna jump into that and see what we find. Then I'm just gonna wash and clean up this dirty engine bay that hasn't been cleaned in quite a while. So first thing I gotta do is get this cowl off, and let's see what we find in there. Got my trusty detail vacuum here. Get that hooked up. And then looking here, we have got definite confirmed mouse activity. So we're going to get that out. I'm going to pull this cabin air filter out, and we're going to look and see what the inside of that looks like next. Look at that. All in the blower motor wheel. get those crevices. And there we go. All clean. Got everything out of there, looking a lot better. This is how the mouse got in there. You can see where he chewed a hole right through my cabin air filter, which is, you know, pretty cool, I guess. So I guess I need to go buy one of these as soon as I can. But in the meantime, for right now, I'm just going to put it back and hope it stays away for a little while. Next thing to do is clean this nasty thing off. For that, I'm just going to use a little cleaner and a parts brush. Scrub it down pretty good. And then we'll just rinse it off. It's not really that dirty. It's just got a lot of dust and, you know, stuff that's settled on it since it's been sitting for so long. Rinse this, and it's not dry yet, but I went ahead and put it back. It's drying. I went ahead and wiped down the glass down on the bottom too, so that's nice looking again. All I got to do now, stick this tubing back. I'm going to reassemble the rest of this and we'll get on to trying to clean this engine off. Okay, now I've got it running because I like to clean the engine with it running. That way if I get water somewhere it shouldn't be, I know right away. But now we're going to clean it. And it's done. I did go over all the black parts. They looked kind of dull when I was done, so I went over all of them with some interior detailer shine stuff to try to shine it up a little bit. Everything's not completely dry yet, but it looks a lot better than it did, especially the shiny bits. So I'm a lot happier with it than it was. That is going to be it for this video, Vlogmas Day 3. I think I've got maybe one more video coming, and that should be the end of this. But for now, I'll let you guys go. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.